Hello everyone. In this course, we will learn about penetration flaw detection. The main contents include 1. The concept of penetrant inspection, 2. The principle of penetrant inspection, and the portable penetrant inspection system. The first part. The concept of penetration testing. Penetration testing is a non-destructive testing method that uses the penetration of fluorescent dyes or red dye penetrants to display traces of defects. The penetrant inspection can check the surface opening defects of non-porous materials, such as cracks, folds, pores, cold insulation and looseness. Not limited by the material structure and chemical composition, it can not only inspect non-ferrous metals, but also non-porous materials such as plastics, ceramics and glass. With high detection sensitivity, the method has the advantages of simple operation, low cost, and is not limited by material properties. However, penetrant testing also has certain limitations. It can only detect the opening defects on the surface of the workpiece, and cannot effectively detect the defects that are blocked by pollutants or the openings are closed after mechanical treatment. It is also not suitable for inspecting workpieces made of porous or loose materials and workpieces with excessively rough surfaces. The second part, the principle of penetration testing. 1. Wetting phenomenon. In the picture, mercury and water droplets are dripping on a smooth glass plate. There are two phenomena. The first phenomenon is that the interaction force between liquids is greater than that between liquid molecules and solid molecules. The force, called the solid not being wetted by the liquid, is like mercury shrinking into a mercury bead on a glass plate. The second phenomenon is that the interaction force between the molecules of the liquid is smaller than the interaction force between the liquid molecules and the solid molecules, which is called the solid is wetted by the liquid. Just like water droplets on a clean glass plate, the water droplets will slowly spread out like that. 2. Capillary phenomenon. Take a very thin glass tube and insert it into a container with different liquids. The wetted liquid is concave and rises in the capillary, and the non-wetted liquid is convex in the capillary, and the phenomenon of falling is called capillary phenomenon. As shown in the picture, penetration testing. The penetration liquid containing colorants or fluorescent substances with high penetration ability penetrates into the surface opening defects of the workpiece under wetting and capillary action, and the penetration liquid is washed and dried. After the developer is applied, the permeate in the defect is reabsorbed to the surface of the workpiece under the action of capillary, thereby forming the trace of the defect. And through visual or special lamps, observe the traces of defects for defect assessment. The third part, portable penetration detection system. In the picture are the portable penetration testing equipment and the sensitivity test block. The test block refers to a test piece with artificial defects or natural defects, and is a device used to measure the sensitivity of penetration detection, so it is also called a sensitivity test block. Portable penetration testing equipment, also known as portable pressure sprinkler irrigation device, is composed of penetrant spray cans, remover spray cans, imaging agent spray cans, wipes, lamps, brushes, etc. If the fluorescent method is used, a UV lamp is also installed. During the operation, we must pay attention to 1. The nozzle should keep a certain distance from the surface of the workpiece to ensure that the detection agent is atomized and applied evenly. Keep spray cans away from fire sources to avoid fire. Empty cans can be scrapped only after breaking the seal. Penetrant testing sensitivity refers to the purpose of using a comparison test block in penetrant testing to test the performance of penetrant testing materials and the ability to display defect traces under the same conditions. Commonly used test blocks include aluminum alloy test blocks, stainless steel chrome-plated crack test blocks and brass plate nickel chromium plated crack test blocks. The aluminum alloy test block is suitable for the sensitivity comparison test of two different penetrants without affecting each other. And it is also suitable for the sensitivity comparison test of the same penetrant under different process operations. The stainless steel chrome-plated crack test block is mainly used to verify the sensitivity of the operation method and process system. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.